Hey, come in for a second. I've been flying the Avata 2 for weeks now, and it's one of those upgrades that rewires what you think flying feels like. The first time I slipped the goggles on and lifted off, it didn't feel like piloting a drone, it felt like being in the sky. That's the difference this thing brings. If you're the kind of person who chases experiences, not just specs, someone who wants to feel movement, speed, perspective, this is for you. You're not someone who settles for flat footage or clunky controls. You want immersion, precision, and a drone that feels like an extension of you. Before we go deeper, check the current price and stock. FPV gear swings fast, and the Fly More bundles come and go without warning. There's always that moment where you know your old setup isn't doing it anymore. For me, it was that jittery, limited feeling with older drones, safe, stable, but emotionless. And I hit a point where I was done settling for footage that looked distant and disconnected. The first time I launched the Avata 2, the entire world opened up. It was smooth, responsive, intuitive, no hesitation between thought and movement. The relief is real. You're not fighting your gear. You're not babysitting settings. You're just in the moment, diving, banking, carving lines through the air. The built-in prop guard means you're not terrified of tight spaces. The flips and rolls feel playful instead of dangerous. And that 4K camera. It captures the world the way you feel it, not the way a basic drone sees it. Real-life flying with this thing changes your weekends. Sunrise flights feel cinematic. Forest trails become your personal playground. Urban exploring feels safer because the drone can take minor bumps without falling apart. And when you bring it home, the footage feels like a memory, not just a recording. Once you feel that immersive pull, going back to a standard drone feels flat. Every time you even consider a weaker model, you remember how alive the Avata 2 feels in the goggles. Don't wait long. FPV inventory swings harder than camera drones, especially on combo kits. If you're hesitating, you're probably thinking about difficulty, risk, or whether FPV is too advanced. That's the surprise. This thing makes FPV easy. The controls click fast. The stability modes give you space to learn. And the confidence you get from the built-in protection lets you actually push your creativity. There's a real sense of ownership pride with this one. When you pack your gear and know you're carrying something built for real FPV, it hits different. You feel like someone who doesn't just fly drones, you create moments through motion. You step onto a field knowing your footage is going to look unlike anything you've shot before. You feel the sky open up with real freedom. You get movement that connects instantly to your hands. You see 4K footage that feels alive and emotional. You fly more often because it's actually fun, not stressful. The only downside is you'll want extra batteries sooner than you think. Once you're in the air, you never want to come down. You can compare specs all day, scroll through alternatives, talk yourself into something cheaper, but at some point, you admit what you already want. You want the one that pulls you into the sky, not the one that just hovers. If you're ready, check the link, confirm the price, and grab it while the Fly More kit is still available. This is one of those upgrades you'll remember every time you take off.